say you're lucky, make me get back me visa.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel and Sidem on a flight to the United States. Sidem said her pony is lucky and that's why Vybz Kartel got back his visa. So after Kartel publicly thanked the US Embassy for their professionalism and respect in handling his visa situation, now the world boss is heading straight to California where he will be attending the Grammy Awards this Sunday. But that's not all. We will get to see Vybz Kartel and Cardi B link up. Cardi B, who has been confirmed as one of the presenters at this year's Grammy Awards, could very well be handing Vybz Kartel his first ever Grammy trophy. Now, if this happens, it will just mark a historic moment, may I tell you, in dancehall and Jamaican music as a whole. And we know Cardi B is a long-time fan of Vybz Kartel, so I'm sure it would be a great honor for Cardi B to present her favorite artist of all time with his first ever Grammy. So this is the video right now. Check out Vybz Kartel and Sidem.
Sidem.
If you're lucky to get back me, if you're still lucky to get back me visa.
Where's the babes?
What is some of the
I'm out.
The Lord is around us, blessings around us. Me not care who like me, me just a go and show love. You see me? That's how happy I am right now. God is the greatest. I am truly and really happy for Vybz Kartel. I don't know if you can hear it, my voice a change. You see me? I'm really happy for the youth, like really happy for the youth. And my question is this Vybz Kartel moment, like the hype surrounding Vybz Kartel Grammy nomination has been building for weeks. Everyone has been buzzing about Vybz Kartel's chances of winning his first ever Grammy, especially when Billboard hinted that Vybz Kartel is the favorite to take the Grammy Award. And, you know, Kartel fans, true fans, you know, like myself, real believers, believe that after influencing dancehall for so many years, this is Vybz Kartel time to actually take the Grammy home. But guess what? There is stiff competition, you see me, and that is Shenseea. You see me, Shenseea is there also, and we have to talk about Shenseea. That's a major, you know, contender to the Grammy. And if it's not Vybz Kartel, it should be Shenseea. You see me, and Shenseea has strong backing from Grammy certified voters, industry insiders that believe Shenseea has a real shot at taking the Grammy Award home. That's what Billboard also say. But I'm wondering if Shenseea will be able to outperform Vybz Kartel right now. And another thing is that with the Grammy just days away, all eyes are on the best reggae album category, where both Vybz Kartel and Shenseea are seen as the front runners. As I said, Kartel nomination is already a huge deal in dancehall. Everybody know that Shenseea nomination is already a huge deal in dancehall. Shenseea is also nominated on Bob Marley album, which was I believe the soundtracks from Bob Marley movie that is also nominated for a Grammy. So Shenseea is also a part of that. Vybz Kartel did a song a couple years ago, and Vibe Dumper Truck and Vybz Kartel talk about, you know, if you're sitting lucky, me will get back my visa. You know what I mean? And so said, so done. Vybz Kartel find a woman, a true woman, a woman who he gave his loyalty and trust, and she preserve it. Sidem, you know what I mean? And Sidem is dear, you know what I mean, right beside him, next to him, keep him up and all of these other things while he was in jail. And Sidem Pony is lucky. So Kartel got back his visa and on a plane right now with Sidem as we speak. So if Vybz Kartel take the Grammy home this weekend, then you know, say, yo, Vybz Kartel is opening major doors for his career, and even for youths like Massacre, who definitely deserve a Grammy and will be winning a Grammy sometime in the future. You see me? So big up to Kartel, big up to Shenseea, and we look forward to see Vybz Kartel and Shenseea at the Grammy. We also look forward to see Vybz Kartel and Drake, Vybz Kartel and Cardi B, Vybz Kartel and Nicki Minaj, and Vybz Kartel, and, you know, all of these other major artists who love and appreciate Vybz Kartel. So thanks for watching. That's the video for today. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.